Check out the train, y'all. Little train. So hello friends, I am in Ardmore, Oklahoma, and I'm down here by the train station. And we got a little train that stopped, so I thought I'd take a picture. Oh, he's gonna back up. And then I want to show you another train that we have here. See, you never know what you're gonna find on my station. Today, I'm on vacation, and we're gonna get some great video today. This is the Amtrak's Ardmore station. Also, if you want to ride Amtrak's down to like Dallas, Houston, you would get on a train here in Ardmore, Oklahoma, as people are waiting for the train. Oh, and they're coming back down. I love trains, so I am excited to show you the trains. Now, for me, I just can't imagine what it would have been like back in the old days to be traveling down on these trains. So, they put the gates down, but no trains are coming. Maybe this one's about to hook up and take off. So, for me, I absolutely love trains. I love when I'm in a car and I pull up to a train. Pulling up on the road and a train is going by. I'll roll down my windows just to hear the siren. And I always think about the old steam engines. They were always amazing. It looks like they're hooking up a new train. So maybe they'll be taking off here in just a minute. So y'all, I was waiting on the train. I saw a car go around both of these. Like, how stupid. Because he's about to pull out, I think. There he goes. Get ready to honk that horn. Okay, let me go show you the rest of this train station. All right, friends, check out this train. They're massive. This is probably an old steam engine, I would think, back in the day. I can't imagine being on one of these trains. Look at that. It's huge. It's beautiful. It's pretty. It is just, I'm amazed at how, this is probably an old steam engine, how tall they are. This is about the height I am, and it goes all the way up here. So that's pretty cool. Here you have the old remodeled train station in Ardmore. But yeah, pretty. So if you're in southern Oklahoma and you need to ride a train down to, on Amtrak down to Dallas, Houston kind of thing, this is where you would get on in Ardmore. So. All right, y'all. So I hope you enjoyed a view of the Ardmore train station and a real train, and then the big steam engine behind me. At least I think it's a steam engine. It doesn't have a sign that gives you any history for sure on that. But today I am going to be going to some really great places today, and so I will be making some more videos. We're going to go eat some fried pies. We're going to go drive into Turner Falls up by Sulphur, Oklahoma, maybe even the Chickasha Culture Center. I'm not sure. And tomorrow, I'm going to take you all along with me to the NASCAR races at Texas Motor Speedway. So just join me and just keep watching for some of these great videos that'll be coming your way. All right, friends. I'm going to put this at the end of my other video. But here's the Amtrak's train coming in. Pretty cool. This is also an Ardmore. Here it comes. I'm amazed they're really short. Well, how cool. So now you got to see the regular freight train in Ardmore, and now the Amtrak's train showing up. People getting off. Looks like a double-decker. That is on my bucket list to travel on one of these trains someday. So, kind of cool. I just thought I'd add this on the end of my video. We are definitely in Ardmore, Oklahoma.